everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to initiate call. Please try again on WhatsApp if you want to try to call on WhatsApp but face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle. At least the third second you have turn it on, and after that go back your home screen and turn on aeroplane mode. At least the third scan you have turned it on, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on journal. Scroll down and click on date and time and make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically, and after that go back and scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your App Store and Play Store and click on this, and from here search for this WhatsApp app. Click on WhatsApp, and from here you make sure that update your WhatsApp app. After update your WhatsApp app, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal and click on iPhone storage, and from here search for this WhatsApp app. Click on WhatsApp and click on offload your app, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.